So I want to show you one of the features that we see used the most in the ScopeStack platform. It is our ConnectWise Manage integration. With this ConnectWise Manage integration, we can do a couple of things. One is we can associate a project to a ConnectWise opportunity on the CRM side, right? So we can pull all the information in, and we can actually update the forecast on the ConnectWise Manage opportunity as well. So there's definitely a read-write aspect of that side of the integration. Now, we also have a functionality within the Manage integration that is creating a project automatically in the projects module inside of Manage. So again, your team is typically getting a statement of work from you, and they're having to either use project templates inside of Manage, or they're having to rebuild everything that you're doing for this project manually. With our integration, the ScopeStack integration to Manage, we can actually click one button and then we'll build out the PSA plan for you inside of ConnectWise Manage. So let me show you a little bit about how that's done. So again, the beginning of the ConnectWise Manage integration is associating a project to a ConnectWise opportunity. So I've already started scoping out a project here, but what you'll see is when you have this turned on inside of your ScopeStack account, you'll see some of your opportunities that are sitting here, and it will fill in project name, client name, pulling that directly from ConnectWise, right? And so there's alignment between this project and then the opportunity. Now, once we come in here and we add our services, you can see we've added some services here in the platform. I'm actually going to get this project approved, and so I'll go through our workflow approval mechanism, which is also a really cool feature. And so I'm just going to request approval, and this is automatically approved based on some logic we had set up. So with that, once I get a project to an approved state, I can actually, you'll see this button pop up here. It says Create PSA Project. And so again, what we're doing here is making sure that there's alignment between what we scoped and what's actually going to be delivered and managed against. The cool part about this is now you can start seeing where you're off in terms of delivering certain services, where there's a gap, and make sure you automatically update that in the future. So I'm just going to click Submit. And I'm going to push this project over to ConnectWise. So I'll go ahead and hop over into ConnectWise as well. Click a link into the list of projects. And I will just choose one of these for speed's sake, right? And so what you'll see here is this network upgrade project. You'll see hours that have been automatically added to the project, as well as a work plan that aligns to what we scoped inside of ScopeStack. So we can create phases automatically, and we can create tickets for every single service that's inside of ScopeStack. And so again, this is really powerful, not just for the pre-sales team, but also for the project managers and the post-sales team as well. If you're interested in finding out more about this integration, please go to scopestack.io and check out our free plan, and you can start poking around there.